Hello lovelies, 'tis the season for giving, and as you all know, my favorite gifts are always the edible kind. And today I'm gonna show you how to make these absolutely delicious candied pecans that make such an awesome gift and taste oh so good. Plus, they're made with just five ingredients. Plus, they come together with just 5 ingredients. So what is not to love? These candied pecans can go on all sorts of delicious things. I like using them to top salads with. They're great for desserts. You could put them on a baked brie over the holidays, or you can just eat them as a snack. Now to get started here, I have got 2 egg whites in a large mixing bowl. And to that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hand mixer to beat this until it's nice and light and fluffy, it's opaque, and it's reached soft peaks. Usually takes about 2 or 3 minutes. So now that my egg whites are nice and light and frothy, I'm gonna go ahead and add my sugar. You could use a combination of brown and white if you wanted to, but I think white works really well in this recipe. And then I'm keeping these simple with just some cinnamon, but I should tell you, there is no limit to the types of flavor combinations you can use in these candied pecans. You could do an apple pie spice, which would be really good. You could do pumpkin pie spice pecans. You could add just a touch of nutmeg, or you could make these extra spicy with a little bit of cayenne. So you got that sweet and spicy situation happening. I'm also gonna go ahead here and add a little bit of salt, because of course where there's sugar, there should always be salt. It just makes everything extra delicious. And then I'm just gonna gently fold this all together. So a couple nice big folds should do the job, because we're also gonna be stirring this into our pecans. Just as soon as that's all combined, first of all, you're gonna know it because your whole kitchen's gonna smell like cinnamon, which I am not sad about. It's time to go ahead and add our nuts to this mixture. So like I said, today I'm doing candied pecans, but you can actually use any nuts you want in this recipe. So walnuts would be really tasty. You could do this with cashews if you wanted to. Really, the sky is the limit, whatever nuts you have on hand. You just wanna make sure that they're not pre-toasted. They need to be raw nuts, and that's just because we're gonna be baking them in the oven and we don't want them to burn. So if they're already toasted, then they're already a little too close. And then I'm gonna transfer it to a large baking sheet that's been lined with some parchment paper. I should mention, if you don't have a really large baking sheet at home, you should do this on 2 baking sheets. You wanna make sure your pecans are in a single layer. And if you need to do that on 2 baking sheets, that's definitely what you should do. I wish you could smell it. It smells absolutely unreal. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get this into a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. After about 15 minutes in the oven, you'll wanna take a little pecan, see how they're doing in there, and you'll wanna give them a little zhuzh with a spoon to break them up a little bit. You'll wanna do that again another 15 minutes later, and this is just to make sure they don't all clump together. You wanna make sure they stay as individual pecans, even though they're gonna get all crisp on the edges and nice and sugary and sweet. Now, these pecans taste absolutely divine, and they're perfect on things like salads, or you can put them on baked brie, or you can snack on them like I like to do. Perfect crunch, perfect sweetness, perfect flavor. They're so good. Guys, I hope you love this recipe as much as I do, and that they help with your holiday gifting this season. If you do give them a try for yourselves, be sure to tweet me, Instagram me, or Facebook me a photo, because you know how much I love seeing your kitchen creations. Remember, this recipe, like all of my recipes, is on my website, thedomesticgeek.com. I'm wishing you all a safe and happy holiday season, and I will see you in 2023. Thank you as always so much for watching, and finally, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, because there is lots more deliciousness where this came from.